Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Valora app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Valora app, then go to the top left corner of the screen to open the menu, and in the menu section you just have to tap on the add and withdraw section, and it's going to open up this menu. And to withdraw funds from your Valora wallet, you just have to tap on the withdraw funds. You have to choose the fund type that you would like to withdraw, and you have to select the method that you would like to withdraw your funds. You can choose bank account, gift card, and mobile top-up, or cryptocurrency exchange. So if you want to withdraw it to your bank account, you just have to tap here, have to add the amount that you would like to withdraw, and if you have that amount in your Valora wallet, you can transfer it to your bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.